Hello everybody, welcome back to SV Handmaids, and this is Shubha here. So in our today's episode we are going to see how to make a wire wrapped dangle earrings using a head pin. We usually do wire wrapping with a separate string for the wire wrapping, but here we are going to use only a head pin to make this cute little dangle earrings. So these head pins are very thin, and they don't need any professional touch to do it. It's very simple. So just insert your ball head pin into the bead. So I'm using a small crystal bead here, which is about 2 by 3 millimeters. Just hold it with your pliers and make a L bend. Just fold it over your plier and you make a loop there. Now remove your pliers and adjust, and then try rotating the tail of the pin. When you use a more thicker wire or the head pins, you need to be very careful to give a neat finish, but since this head pin is very thin, you need not worry too much about the neatness of the wrapping. You can just do it in a quick few seconds. It just takes about 2 or 3 windings and it will be done. There will be a small tail left which is difficult to be bent with the plier. You can just push it in. Taking your chain nose plier, just give a squeeze and it's going to tuck in. And there you have a cute little dangle. These can be made as earrings or pendant hanging or in bracelets. That has multiple uses, and different size of beads give a different finish. So here I'm going to use these dangle in the earring. So these are everyday earrings and look very cute. Now take a jump ring and open it up. And add all your dangles that you made. So I'm using 3 dangles for this earring here. So add them onto your jump ring. And then you add your clasp. So I'm using a lever back clasp here. And then close up your jump ring and you're done. A quick little cute earring which can be done in 15 minutes. Don't they look very cute? Okay, and I'm going to show you one more simple earring for everyday wear here. So this one I tried to do with a head pin. So insert these small, I added wooden beads to a head pin and made 2 loops at the ends. And then I have a beaded chakri here which I am going to insert it in the middle. It gives a contrast color because I have a wooden bead below and I wanted a lighter color on the top, so I just tried to add this beaded chakri. It's a wheel. It has pearl beads around a metal core. So it's a very simple earring. So add your U bend that you made with the wooden bead, add it to your jump ring, and also add the beaded wheel in between. So that gives a contrast look. It's a very cute tiny earring suitable for everyday wear or even for kids. So here our earrings are done. So hope you like them. So we have 2 cute earrings for today. Do try it out and let me know in the comments if you had any difficulty in making this. So in our next episode we are going to try the same thing with a head pin. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.